Hello dear friends, welcome to this session of Bookkeeping and Accountancy, Partnership Final Account. In this session, I am going to solve question number 9, page number 61. Let us read the question carefully first. Sun and Moon are partners in firm sharing profits and losses equally. You are required to give effects of adjustments with the help of the following information. As you can see in adjustment number 7, net profit is already given. So, there is no need to open trading account and profit and loss account. You are required to prepare balance sheet and partner's current account only. Debit balances, credit balances. Debit balances will go to, in this example, no trading account, no profit and loss account. So either current account or balance sheet asset side. And credit balances will go to either current account credit side or balance sheet liability side. Land and building, asset. Furniture, asset. Machinery, asset. Purchased on 1st/7/18. This is the additional information given in the question. Machinery is purchased on 1st of July and year ends on 31st of March. So in this case, machinery is not used for the entire year. We will have to calculate the period since the machinery purchase till 31st of March 2019. Accordingly, we will calculate the depreciation. If you calculate the period from 1st of July 2018 to 31st of March 2019, it comes to 9 months. So we will calculate depreciation on machinery for only 9 months. Goodwill, assets, wages, trading account, but no need to open trading account. Current account, Moon. So we will transfer it to Moon's current account, but we will transfer to debit side. Debit item will go to debit side. Credit item will go to credit side. Here you can see Sun's current account is given to the credit balance. So we will record it to credit side of current account as by balance brought down. And Moon's balance we will record to debit side of current account as to balance brought down. 8% debentures, asset. It is investment made by the business. It is purchased on 1st of October. If you calculate the period from 1st of October to 31st of March, it comes to 6 months. So we will have to calculate the interest on debenture, that is interest on this investment, for 6 months only at the rate of 8% per annum. Provident fund investment, it is an asset. Here you can see provident fund, it is a liability. There are 4 items related to provident fund. Out of these, only 2 items are there. First one, provident fund investment. Second one, provident fund. If it is provident fund investment, it is asset. It will go to balance sheet asset side. If it is provident fund, it is liability. It will go to balance sheet liability side. Another 2 items related to provident fund, they are not included in this question, are contribution to provident fund. It will go to profit and loss account debit side, and interest on provident fund investment. If in a question interest on provident fund investment is given, it is to be considered as a liability. Next, stock of postal stamps. It will go to balance sheet asset side. Capital account and current account both are given, so it is a fixed capital method. We will not make any change to capital. We will simply transfer capital to balance sheet liability side. Current account of Sun, as discussed earlier, credit side of the current account by balance brought down. Sundry creditors, liability side. Bank overdraft, liability side. Reserve fund, liability, and provident fund also liability side. Let us read the adjustments also. Partners are entitled to get salary rupees 6,000 per annum in addition to their profit and loss sharing. So here you are supposed to give salary to partners. Its first effect we will record to profit and loss account debit side, but today we are not going to record to profit and loss account as the net profit is already given in the question. So it is implied we have recorded it to profit and loss account debit side. Second effect for this salary we will record to current account credits. Next, depreciation on land and building, furniture and machinery at the rate of 10%, 5% and 3% respectively. We will put a tick to land and building, a tick to furniture and a tick to machinery. And the rates are given as land and building 10%, furniture 5% and machinery 3%. Next adjustment, interest on capital. You will calculate the interest on capital only, but you have to record it to current account. Next adjustment, closing stock. Its first effect is to be given to trading account credit side, but today we will ignore this effect and we will record only the second effect for this, that is balance sheet asset side. Next, wages included rupees 1,000 as advance given to workers. It is an example of prepaid expenditure, prepaid wages. We will put a tick to wages. Interest due but not paid, outstanding interest. Again here we can give only one effect for interest due but not paid. We will assume that interest rupees 800 we have recorded to profit and loss account debit side, but we are supposed to record the second effect for this balance sheet liability side. Net profit for the year is given rupees 38,113. Let us move ahead with the posting part. We will record all trial balance item one by one. First item is land and building 40,000, balance sheet asset side. Furniture 18,000, machinery 40,000, goodwill 2,000, wages 2,000, but we cannot record wages as we are not opening trading account today, so we will ignore this part. Current account of Moon debit side 4,000, so we will record it to debit side of current account as two balance brought down, Moon's balance rupees 4,000. Eight percentage debentures, balance sheet asset side. Here the additional information is given that debentures are purchased on 1st of October. So we will calculate interest on debenture as it is hidden adjustment. So we have to give two effects for the adjustment. 8% debentures, single posting as it is trial balance item, and interest on debentures, two effects as it is hidden adjustment. Let us calculate the interest on debentures. Working note number 1. The value of 8% debenture is rupees 8,000. Year commences on 1st of April 2018 and it ends on 31st of March 2019. Debentures are purchased on 1st of October 18. So we have purchased debentures and invested the amount in debentures since last 6 months. So 8,000 multiplied by 8% for 6 months comes to rupees 320. 320 is the amount of interest due on debentures. As it is income, its first effect will go to profit and loss account credit side, but we are not going to record this, assuming we have already recorded to profit and loss account credit side, and again we will record it to balance sheet asset side as interest due but not received or else we can add it to balance sheet asset side in 8% debentures. Add interest accrued rupees 320, total 8320. Next item is provident fund investment, balance sheet asset side, and stock of postal stamps rupees 500, balance sheet asset side. Let us post the credit balance of trial balance. First is capital account of Sun and Moon. We will straight away transfer it to balance sheet liability side, capital account of Sun and Moon. Next, current account of Sun. Current account credit side, buy balance brought down, Sun rupees 6000. Here you can see Sun's account is showing credit balance and Moon's account is showing debit balance. So we will simply record it as debit item, debit side, credit item, credit side. Sundry creditors, liability side. Bank overdraft 10,000, liability side. Reserve fund, liability side rupees 5,000, and provident fund 5,000, balance sheet liability side. Let us now give two effects for all the adjustments. First adjustment is partners are entitled to get a salary rupees 6,000 per annum, as it is income to the partners, but it is an expenditure for the partnership firm. So it is to be recorded to debit side of profit and loss account, but in this example profit and loss account is not to be opened. So we will directly give the second effect for this. We will record to credit side of current account. By salary 6,000 each partners. Next adjustment is depreciation on land and building at the rate of 10%. First effect, deduct from land and building at the rate of 10%. Second effect, profit and loss account, debit side. Next adjustment, depreciation on furniture at the rate of 5%. We will deduct from furniture less depreciation 5% comes to 900. Second effect for this will go to profit and loss account, debit side. And depreciation on machinery at the rate of 3%. So we'll deduct 3% from machinery. Second effect we will record to profit and loss account, debit side. In this example, all profit and loss items are to be ignored because the net profit is already given in this question. Next adjustment, interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. As I told earlier, interest is to be calculated on capital, but it is to be recorded to current account if there is current account in the question. So let us calculate interest on capital. Sun's capital is 33,500. Moon's capital is 33,500, on which we will calculate 5%. It is equal to rupees 1,675. Assuming we have already recorded to profit and loss account debit side, we will record the second effect only to credit side of partner's current account. As by interest on capital 1675, it is 5% on their capital. Next adjustment is closing stock. First effect, trading account, credit side, and second effect, balance sheet, asset side. Closing stock rupees 60,743. Next adjustment is wages included rupees 1,000 as advance given to workers. Being advance given, we will deduct it from wages, trading account, debit side, and the second effect we will record to balance sheet asset side as advance wages rupees 1,000. Next adjustment is interest due but not paid. First effect will go to profit and loss account debit side, and the second effect being unpaid, we will record it to balance sheet liability side. Interest due but not paid rupees 800. The net profit is already given in the question, rupees 38,113. We will distribute the net profit among partners in the ratio given in the question itself. And question says we have to distribute the profits and losses equally. So we will distribute rupees 38,113 equally among sun and moon. So sun's profit share is rupees 19,057 and moon's share in the profit is rupees 19,056. I have rounded off the amount to the nearest zero, therefore there is difference of rupees 1. It is 19,056.5 and 19,056.5. So it is rounded off to the nearest zero. Closing balances of current account of all the partners are Sun 32,732 and Moon, after deducting this negative balance of current account, rupees 22,731. These balances we will transfer to balance sheet liability side. Balance sheet liability side, current account of Sun, current account of Moon. And the balance sheet tally at amount rupees 1,68,263. Thank you.